Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video here guys, we'll be working on a Dodge Dart guys, and if you want to replace the clutch guys for your AC compressor, the AC clutch, stay with us, we'll show you guys how to do that. You will need to remove your compressor to do that, and we have the video on the channel. As you can see, the engine is out of the car. You do not have to remove the engine guys to replace the compressor, but why we did that? Because we have more than 100 videos on that engine alone guys, and we want to show you how to fix things, otherwise it's impossible to show you with the camera guys. In addition, we'll have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can, so please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys. Let's start on it and show you how to replace the AC clutch on that Dodge Dart today. So what do you need to do guys? Okay, you get your compressor. Right here on the front side of the compressor you have one bolt that you need to remove with a 10 millimeter socket usually. Hold the clutch and remove that bolt. Okay, perfect. Now once you remove it, you can grab the top part of the clutch right here and you can go ahead and remove it. So that is out. Now we have one snap ring right here that we have to remove guys, and our snap ring pliers are not deep enough to reach there, so what we'll actually have to do now guys, okay, we'll remove it with screwdrivers. Wear eye protection because that thing can seriously guys hurt you. Okay, it can seriously hurt you guys. It can pop out anytime, shoot in your eyes. Be careful guys. So hold it with one finger on top always and just start gently pulling it out, okay, with the screwdriver. I'll recommend using only snap ring pliers guys. Just ours are not deep, big enough to catch that thing. And now something I need to clarify right here guys, okay, you have one washer. That washer stays on the clutch right here. This is a very important washer. Why? Because that washer is the one that sets the gap between the clutch, okay, the clutch and the coil. And if that washer is too big or too small, your AC clutch may not function right. And we have a video about the AC clutch gap. Check it out, how to set it right. Now we get that thing out and you can go ahead and remove the pulley, okay, with the bearing now. So this one is a little bit stuck. I won't be able to do it with one hand. Okay, perfect, came out. Now we'll be able to use those pliers, but we need to flip the thing the other way because you can use it both ways, to compress and decompress a snap ring. There is two different kinds. So we'll need to just put it the other way now, and there is one more snap ring. Okay, this is a regular snap ring, that's what it looks like, that we'll be removing here now. All we have to do is just put our pliers together and we'll be ready to go. Perfect. Now you grab it guys, hold it with one hand so it doesn't fly away, pull it out. Okay, this is it. Now right here we have one bolt with 8 millimeter socket. That's the one that holds the wires for the AC clutch. Perfect. And from that point on you can go ahead and pull it out. Now it goes guys only one certain way on the compressor. You can see that dot right here, it goes in this canal over there. If you need to buy a new clutch, okay, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. We'll try to find it for you guys where you can get them, from. Putting it together is in reverse order. We took it apart. This is your bearing. I would recommend to get the one with the bearing as well, the whole kit, that way you won't have problems in the future. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time.